everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some cute accessories with the Gemex Deluxe Creation Station, which was sent to me from the online toy store. The set includes a creation station, instructions, 2 moulds, accessories, decorations, stickers, 2 bottles of liquid magic, a stirring tool and a UV light shell. To make the gems, start by squeezing the liquid into the mould shapes. Next, add the decorations and push them in with the stirring tool. The next step is to place the mould inside the shell and press the button to activate the UV light. The stars on top will light up and the shell light will beep when it's done. After 3 minutes, the gel has hardened and the gems are ready to be removed from the mould and turned into accessories. To make a keychain or bracelet, use a loop to connect a gem to the accessory. To attach the gems to earrings or hair clips, use the gel as a glue, then place the accessory inside the shell for the gel to harden. The Creation Station allows you to make up to 100 gems in a variety of styles. You can even create 3D effects by layering the gel and different decorations. Overall, this toy was fun and easy to use, and the gel to gem process is a really unique way to make your own accessories. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing. Also, make sure to check out the online toy store, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!